Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sako. So in this private video, I have showed you about the configuration of Spring Security, about the application and about the authorization with the custom data store, and about the basic authentication with username and password. But now we will move on to the new section. Is about the JSON web token. So firstly, I want to have you have a look about the JSON web token and about the JSON web token in Spring Security. So first, we will answer the question in the JSON web token. So JSON web token or JWT is an open standard certify a compact and self-contained way for the securely transmitting information between parties at the JSON object. So because the JSON web token can be verified and true because it varies because it's only signed. So the JSON token can be signed using a security and with the algorithm or public or private key using the RFAs. So the compact, because of the small size, security can be sent through a URL or the port parameter or the inside entity header. So basically, it type in the header. So additionally, the smaller size means transmission is fast. So because the size is small, then the transfer is smart and transmission is very fast. So self-content is the payload contain all the required information about the user and avoid the need to query the database more than once. So when we are using the JSON token to secure your website, secure your API, so I've been answering the question about when should you use JSON web token, and we must take a look about the authentication and about the information exchange. So about the authentication, this is the most common scenario for the using the identity. So when the user login, it is a subsequent request will be include the identity, is a handler, and allow the user access the service, access the resource, access the API, and single sign-on is a feature that use the identity nowadays, because it's more overhead and its ability to be easily used across different domains. So about the information exchange, because JSON web token are a good way of securely transmitting information between parties, because the identity can be signed. For example, it can use in the public or private key bank. It can be sure that the sender who they are, and the JSON token can sign with the key. You can, so I will show in the next video. So now we will move on to the next question. What is the JSON web token structure? So JSON web token consists of three parts separated by the dot. We have the header, the payload, and the signature. So the output here is I will show to you the output, and the format of the identity is here is the format of the identity. So then you can see here is the header here with the algorithm is SS256, and here is the payload comprise the data for the sub here for the authority. You can define the sub, the authority, the role, or the enable, or many things you want. And here is the secret key here. So next, what is the header? The header is have two parts: the type, token, quick identity, and the hashing algorithm we use, and subject AMAC, SSA256 or RSA. Then this is an base64 URL encode to form and to the first part of security. Here you can see here is the algorithm for the hashing algorithm. Here the reality is using the algorithm to encode. Here payload. Payload is the second part is the payload, and we contain the claim statement about an entity. Typically is the user, and lastly the metadata, and that type claim reserves public or private. Here is a payload. For the reserve claim, there are set a predefined claim which are not mandatory but recommended to provide a set of useful interoperable claim. Some of them here is the receiver or the equal time, subject or audience, and as you can find. So here you can see here. So you can see here. So here is a big pattern. Here is a sub. So here another here is you can define, and public claim they can be defined by using the authority, but to avoid the collision they should define in the token registry or define as a UI that contain a collision resistant namespace. So for the private claim, they are the custom claim created to share information between parties that agree on using them. So the last is signature. Signature using to create a signature path. You have to take encode header, encode payload, a script, the algorithm specified in the header, and size it. So the signature is used to verify that the sender of the is who is say it is he, and to ensure that the message was changed along the way. Here, for example, for the algorithm of the signature here. So the output here is the output of generality is a string, 3 base for strings with 5 dots that can be easily passed in the HTML or HTTP environment while being more compared to email-based standards such as SAM. Here, for example, you can see here is the dot is a header, here the dot is a payload, and separate by the dot here. Here is a header, here is a payload, and here is a signature. So you can test things on generality. Now I will open the Postman. I will demo for you. You can see I will demo for you. You can see the generality token. Here you can see here is a header, here is a payload, and here is a signature separated by the dots. So now for the testing, I will open here and the wt.io for the test of the wt token. Here I will copy and sorry for the interest. Here you can see I will paste it here. You can see here is my JSON web token. You can text in the wt.io. Then so now we will know what the JSON web token work, how do the JSON web token work. So in authentication, when the user successfully log in using the creator, the JSON web token will be returned and must be saved locally, for example in the local storage or the cookie. So whenever the user wants to access the protected route or resource, the user also should send the WT typically in the authorization header using ECCOMMERCE. Here you can see for the authorization. Now I will send to you. I will copy and paste it here. You can see here, and header you can see the authorization here. Header here, you can see the authorization. And the stateful authentication mechanism, as the user states it never saves in the server memory. The server protected route will check for the validity in the authorization header, and if it presents, the user will be allowed to access protected resource as the security and self-contained and all necessary information is there, and reducing the need to query multiple times. So the LT allows you to fully apply on the data API, just stateless, and even make the request to last chip service. So it doesn't matter with the domain as your API. So cross origin, resource sharing, or COM, or one be an issue as it doesn't use cookie. So here is a flow of the from the request. So we will check for the authentication filter and using the username password authentication token filter. Then after that we can check in the security context holder, and I have shown to you in the previous video. And then the authentication manager, supplier manager, and many filter here. And here when the user login with the username password, so the server will generate a security token with a secret, and we send the response to client if the security is valid or not. So now about the security signature and encryption. Security is usually complemented with a signature encryption. So they are handled in general specs and JSON web signature, JWS, and JSON encryption, JWE. So you can search in Google. So a signature allow a security to be validated against the modification. Encryption on the other hand, make sure the content of the security is only readable by certain party. So now you can see I'm in solely when I change I modify the system token. You can see the body that one is invalid for mass here. The server will validate the system token to valid or not and send the message to client. So now the common zeroty sign algorithm, the most zeroty sign, the more common algorithm is MAC plus with SA256 or another here, another algorithm here. So the specify more and many more algorithms for site. So you can find them in RFC 751S. So now we will go this into the algorithm. For the MAC algorithm, the probably for the most common algorithm for the site generality hash-based message authentication code. The MAC algorithm is hash-based message authentication code and a group of algorithms that provide a way of signing message by means of a second. So in the case of hash-based message authentication code, cryptographic hash function is used the SA256 and the strength depends on the hashing algorithm being used. The main object is the design of the algorithm what to allow the combination of a key with a message while providing strong warranty against tampering. So the hash-based message authentication codes are used with the security when you want a simple way for all party to create and validate security. So any party knowing the key can create a new security. In other words, with the same key, it is possible for a party to impersonate another one. And security do not provide guarantee with the regard to creator of security, and anyone know in the key can create the one. For certain new case, the issue promises where asymmetric algorithm come into play. So now for the SA and ECD SA algorithm, both of them are asymmetric execution and digital signature algorithm. So what asymmetric algorithm bring to the table is a possibility of verifying and decrypting a message without being able to create a new one. So this is the case for the certain new case. The main difference between RSA and ECDFA lie in the speed and the key size. The ECDFA requires smaller key to achieve the same level of security as RSA. So this makes it rejoin or small zero key is faster zero key and signature. So the RSA, however, is usually faster than ECDFA for the signature verification. So conclusion, security are more convenient way of representing authentication and authorization claim for your application. They are easy to pay, immutable and compact. But the killer feature in ZWS and ZWE space. With the ZWE and ZWS, all claim can be completely signed and encrypted while remaining compact enough to be part of every API code. Solutions such as session O, server-side token, CMO, and Q-sum when compared to the power of 0t. So now I will demo a little bit about 0t token. I have created the web application with big security about 0t token. So I will pass to you in the next video. I will talk to make the project with 0t token in the next video. So now I provide the valid username and password for the API login. When I send, you can see the new one, 0t token, can be generated and sent to client. And after I push the authorization here with the header, key the authorization and value the beer and load with the JSON token. I send the request. You can see like a micro screen, the API has been respond, but respond exactly. But I change someone, delete. You can see unauthorized because the server can't know who we want. And if the token and we modify, you can see invalid format 3 part of token because I have deleted a path here with the because the identity token separate by dot with the 3 part here. So if I provide the error is the invalid username or password, you can see invalid username or password. So here is a demo about the token. So I will teach you how to create, how to authorization and authentication with the token. But I shall not code user. You see the identity token, and here is the cell code token here. I will decode it here. You can see the role is user, authority user, role user, and I will copy the token and paste it here. You can see permission denied because this pad is only for the admin. So you can see that the 0t can be authorized, can be authentication. So here is the demo and the theory, the lecture about the 0t token. I want you to have a look about, have a demo look, have a common look about the 0t token. So thank you for watching. In the next video, I will teach you how to create the 0t token and how to secure again with the 0t token. Goodbye.